The Liquify tool reshapes and alters the pixels of an image selectively. It's a great editing tool to reconstruct objects or add visual appeal to a design. Liquify is destructive, so make a duplicate to keep original images as backup. Size controls the brush width that covers the area of application. Small brush widths are great for fine-tuning, while bigger brush widths give greater emphasis. Strength controls the intensity of the brush. A higher strength affects pixels and areas at a faster transition. Density controls the amount of feathering at the edges of the brush. High-quality preview will smooth out results instantly as Liquify is being applied. This can be turned off to reduce lag. Depending on the tool, apply distortions by clicking and dragging or clicking and holding the mouse button before releasing. Push moves pixels into a direction by pushing or dragging. Enlarge bloats or moves pixels away from the center point. Shrink does the opposite of enlarge and moves pixels inwards. The swirl right or left functions rotate and distort parts of an image in a clockwise or counterclockwise manner. Restore reverts liquefied areas to their original state.